Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Hi Anil, very good evening. And how are you?
Yes, I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I am also blessed. Thank you for asking.
Okay, nice to listen this. You are great. You are doing great.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
So, ma'am, what are you doing nowadays?
Yeah, nowadays is quite, like every day is a hectic day for me because of my, like a kids online classes and even I am also YouTuber and I, very well about that. I am busy with my YouTube channel and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, in the meanwhile, as a married woman, household things are there, like washing, cooking, clothing, everything.
Yeah. Like you have to do many types of work at your home.
Exactly.
Yes. Yeah. So, ma'am, like today, I called you and I connected you, and I didn't choose any topic. So, do you have like any special topic or any favorite or any interesting topic? Would you like to tell me?
Yeah, sure. Maybe what's the meaning of life? You tell me that's just like we will talk about like unique topic.
What's the meaning of life?
Yeah, you tell me what's the meaning of life up to now. What you have got, like a God experience in your life? How you feel like no? What's the meaning of life?
Yeah, according to my opinion, life is a toy, life is a game, life is a
Uh,
fair, life is a journey. God has sent us, yeah, on the earth, and just we have to play our role, just we have to do our duty, and we have to, like, this world is like a fair, because in this world there are many types of people and all people, and we all are living together. So the purpose of living a good life, that is like just we have to behave with everyone, and just we have to respect to everyone, and just we have to love each other. Okay,
yeah,
because we have to love everyone, because in the world and in our life, even like you have, like, even you are a great person or even you have too much money, it doesn't matter. But when you will die, so nothing will go with you.
yeah,
So just, yeah, so that time, like, only your work and what did you do, that people they will admire, that people they will talk about like your activity.
exactly.
So yeah, so always we should try to, like, if God has sent us on the earth and now we all are living, so just we should try to do like good works. Good works means,
Exactly.
yeah, many people they like, not only like few people. Like I want to give you like an example. Like we have 100%. Okay, so if you are doing like any work, so if 60% or 70 or 80% people or 90% people are agree with your work, and they are saying that this guy is really good and he's doing good work about our society, about our country, and whatever you are doing, just don't do that work against anyone, according to,
Exactly.
yeah, according to your opinion and according to the others opinion. We should try to do that work on the right direction, in a right way, in a positive way. So that will be definitely right, and that will be definitely good, and we will get good results, and we will get good, what can I say, good, yeah, good comment from others.
Yeah,
So that
exactly.
is, yeah,
Exactly.
really, yeah, that is really good,
Yeah.
because in the
In
life,
my
yeah,
point of
because,
yeah,
yes,
please carry on.
yes,
Carry.
yeah, because I
In
have
my
heard
point
many
of
times. Okay,
yeah,
speak.
please carry on. You carry. Yeah, in my point of view, like a life means, like a just satisfaction. If you're satisfied with your life, definitely you will get success. If you are not
Yes,
satisfied with
exactly.
your life,
Yes, exactly, you are right. Yeah, always we
yeah,
should try to be satisfied with our life.
exactly. If you are not satisfied with your life, you are running for, like earning money, you're running for getting, yeah, like, some good relationship with you in your life. Yeah, something like more than that, okay? If it's all about, satisfaction. And
Satisfaction,
apart
yeah.
from that satisfaction, a life means like a compromising, convincing, adjusting, caring, sharing, like living with each other, like with our family members, and sharing with like love and knowledge or whatever it may be, and taking care of our parents and our like our or like a family. These are all about, life means these are all, like it's a circle. It's a circle,
Yeah,
like that circle. These are all within a circle. We have to maintain all these relationships. We have
yes,
to
yes,
balance. We have to control our mind. We have to like show our emotions. We have to, like everything, feeling emotions, like getting success. We have to learn a lot of things. Life is a like a book. Life is a
book,
like, we will just turn our papers.
paper. We have to turn our paper. We have to read something
Every
every
day is
day,
every
and
day
we
is
have
a
to
great
follow.
experience.
Yeah, yeah,
Every day is
definitely.
great experience.
You have given a wonderful example. I really appreciate you.
Exactly, exactly. And that too, we have to write like with our own pen. There is
Yes,
no,
yes,
no one is not there for us. We write our what our destiny is. We have to write with our own pen, and we have to, we have no chance to no, rub it.
yes,
Or
yes.
otherwise, like put that whitener or like that. We have, once we write that, like with our pen, we can't rub it that one. That is the reason. Life means we have to like speak softly with lovely, lovely. Our words are very, like powerful.
Powerful,
Whenever
yeah.
we are using our words, it's like it will not hurt to others. It will not, it will be very, very lovely. Like whenever we are using words, it will like, it become like a lovely talking, like
Yes,
softly,
yes.
like nowadays, particularly children, it's very difficult to lead like lead toward children. If you speak softly, they will also become like that. If you speak, loudly, like no seriously, they will never change their attitude. They will
Yeah,
also
yeah,
become like,
definitely. Yes.
yeah. That is the life. Life gives a lot of things to us, but we are just followers to the God. But like you only said to me before, life, life is the just, like God sent to us on this earth. But what we are doing, quarreling, scolding, and fighting with each other.
Yes,
We
yes,
are
yes.
doing all
Like,
these things,
yes,
but we are not getting the meaning of life. What is the meaning of
meaning of
life?
life. Yes.
We are not getting, just we are leading, like a selfish ego. And like if you have something, then all people will come near to you. If you don't have something, nothing, no one will take care of you.
Yeah. And ma'am, I wanna talk about like greedy. Something
Yeah,
about greedy. Yeah, because something I have some statements about greedy. So like yeah, like in our life, we should become greedy, but we should not become like too much greedy, and we should not try to snatch. We should not try to steal the things of others. Okay,
ex-
like
exactly.
like you have many types of things at your home or like anywhere, and we should not try to steal anything from others. We need to become greedy, so we need to think that how can I get money, not by stealing, not by doing any bad work. Okay, just yeah, just I have to do a struggle, just I have to do hard work, I have to do work day and night. And after
Ex-
that, yeah, that people, they are not called greedy. Greedy means if you are trying, you are running after the things of others. Okay, I am running after your things, like I am trying to snatch, I am trying to steal your money, your computer, laptop, mobile, whatever I am trying to snatch from your side, I am trying to steal from your side. So yeah, those people, they are not doing good, and those people, they are called like a bad greedy and too much greedy person. Okay, so in my life,
ex-
today I'm also too much greedy, but I am not greedy for others. I'm not greedy the things of others. I'm not trying to get the things of others. Just I am trying, and just I am trying to become greedy, and I have to earn something. I have to do something in my life, because if you become greedy, so you will always try to do something different, and you will even you are like doing better, but day by day you will try to do more better. But if you are
exactly.
not greedy, yeah, if you are not greedy, then your limit will be fixed. Like you have no like next target. So always try to become too much greedy. No, but not. We should try to become that type of greedy people. They always try to steal things, and they always try to cheat to anyone. So we should not try to become like that of people. Just we can like become greedy for ourselves.
Exactly, exactly. Greedy, like, for people, it's not work out. Why? Because of, if you are like a greedy person, then still learn from, like, knowledge from that people. like your friend or your colleagues or whoever it may be, like learn what are talents from that people. We have to greedy for that things, but not like a money, fame and everything, but not things money never like change our life. If you get the knowledge or skills from other people, then maybe that greediness will helpful in our future or in present or in like a past also. Whatever we learn, we have to give to others.
Yeah, definitely. Like, nah, but according to my opinion, like we should become greedy from any angles, like also from money, and according to money, according to like skills, according to knowledge, according to education, according to try to get something. We should try to become greedy from any every types of angles. Okay. Yeah, but we should not try to like become too much greedy. We should not always try to think whole day and night only think about we have to get something, we have to get something. What is this? Just like whenever you are going to do any work, so just that time you have to think about that work, like how can I get something and how can I do this work, how can I complete my this work. And after that, whenever you are like enjoying, whenever you are eating, okay, like according to our work, your health. Okay.
Exactly. Like
Yeah.
what you said, like a greediness for you, like no, we have to learn something.
Yeah.
Greediness for us, we have to get knowledge from others. We have to get
Alright.
skills
Yeah.
from others. For that, we
Yeah.
have to be greedy. Otherwise, greediness, nothing work out.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not.
Definitely, you
It's
are
not
right.
habit of every human being.
Yeah, because yeah, I have seen many people, because if you are doing great and day by day you are earning too much money, you are developing in your life, and yeah, you are growing day by day. So many people, they are not trying to learn something from your side. They are not
Exactly.
like learning after watching you. They are just thinking that, oh, how is he becoming like too much rich people, and how is he getting too much things. I should also steal something from him. I should
Yeah.
snatch. So this is, yeah, this is not good. Just we have to
Exactly.
think, yeah, how is he developing? How is he changing his life? So I should also learn something. I should also try to get some ideas from him. Okay, and I should go to him and I should talk to him. Which type of work are you doing nowadays? And how are you like becoming? And how are you getting too much money? How are you developing in your life? So we can just learn. So this is not bad. This is good. But whenever,
Exactly.
yeah, but whenever like you are not learning something from others, and just you are trying to steal something, just you are trying to snatch something from that person. So this is really bad. So in my life, if I see any other great person, if I see any others people, so that time I try to learn something. I do not try to steal something. I do not try to run after that person day and night. No, it's not like that.
Exactly.
Just we have also mind, we can use our mind, we can also think. Yes.
As a grown up, like we have to know that what is the greediness and what do you want from others and what we have to give to others. We know
Yes.
everything is right and what is wrong. Then according to that, we have to follow the situations and follow the people's, like a mindset. Definitely,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
will get and we will give something.
Yes,
Give
exactly,
and
you
take
are right.
policy. Give and take policy. If you give something and your friends, your relatives will give something to you. If you're not give, then they will not give to you anything. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, ma'am, so this is really nice and wonderful conversation with you, and I am so happy to talk with you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Because
and
without, yeah,
really,
without preparation, and we talked a lot, and I hope this is really nice conversation, because whatever we have spoken and whatever we have like described and explained, so this will be really nice for our viewers, for our friends, and they will obviously like. Okay. So
definitely, yeah. Like we have to tell to our, like give our message to like, no, please know the what is the meaning of life, and know the three things: where and why and what we are. We have to know
what
the
we are
three things: where you are and what you are. You have to know about yourself and
and why you are.
what purpose we took birth on this earth. Three
Yes,
things
yes,
are enough
really.
for for getting good results in our life.
Yes,
Good
yes.
great success in our life, 3 things are enough: where and what and why. 3 things are enough. And please
Yes, yes,
do the things and identify yourself. First, you love yourself and identify yourself. Create your own history, own identification, own individual.
yes,
That is very, very important as a human being.
yes, exactly, yes. Okay, ma'am. So I hope we will connect again. We'll talk and we will do great.
Definitely, definitely. And thanks.
So bye, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye for everyone. Yeah. Bye, Anil.
As well as good night.
Yeah. Good day. Take care. Take care of yourself and take care of all of you. Yeah. Bye. Yeah. Yeah. Bye.